Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best hair gloss shine product on the market, the L'Oréal Paris Glossing Lamination Hair Mask with Glycolic Acid from the Everpure line. If you're looking for a way to bring dull, dry, or color-treated hair back to life with an intense, lasting shine, this might just be the game-changer you need. This hair mask is part of a complete hair care system designed specifically for color-treated and processed hair. It features glycolic acid, which is known for its smoothing properties and ability to enhance shine by gently exfoliating and refining the hair surface. This results in hair that looks visibly smoother and reflects light beautifully, giving you that glass-like gloss finish you often see only after professional salon treatments. One of the standout features of this product is its gentle formulation. L'Oréal Paris has created this mask to be sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan, making it safe and kind for both your hair and scalp. The mask also avoids harsh salts, dyes, phthalate, and gluten, making it an excellent choice for those who want clean beauty without sacrificing performance. The texture of the mask is creamy and rich, infused with a delicate bergamot and peony scent that adds a refreshing touch to your hair care routine. Using it is straightforward. After shampooing and conditioning your hair with the Everpure Glossing Shampoo and Conditioner, you apply the mask onto damp hair from mid-lengths to ends. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This short wait time is perfect for those with busy schedules who still want to indulge in deep nourishment. What really sets this mask apart is how it seals the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and creating a smooth, protective layer that boosts shine and softness. The Everpure glossing system promises up to 5 days of intense gloss and smoothness, so your hair stays looking vibrant longer between washes. In addition to its glossing benefits, the mask supports the health of color-treated hair by protecting against fading and damage. The formula is validated by professional colorists, ensuring it not only enhances shine but also cares for the integrity of your hair color. If you have dry, dull, or color-treated hair and want a treatment that delivers salon-quality shine at home, the L'Oréal Paris Glossing Lamination Hair Mask is designed to meet those needs. It's a perfect complement to the rest of the Everpure Glossing line, so for best results, consider pairing it with the matching shampoo and conditioner. Overall, this hair mask provides a luxurious, effective way to achieve smooth, shiny hair without the use of harsh chemicals. Whether you want to refresh your color-treated locks or simply add a healthy glow to your hair, this product is worth trying for that coveted glossy finish. That wraps up our review of the L'Oréal Paris Glossing Lamination Hair Mask with Glycolic Acid. If you want more honest product critiques and beauty insights, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.